Greetings everyone! Whether overspray has found its way onto your vehicle's paint because of someone else's carelessness or, like me, my own carelessness when I grossly underestimated the distance that overspray could travel while I was painting some furniture, it's all good because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to remove overspray from your vehicle's paint without doing any additional damage. Now, a lot of people's first impulse might be to grab some paint thinner and a rag to try to remove the dried overspray from your vehicle's surface, but there's an easier and much safer way to do this. All you need is a detailing clay, some detailing spray, and a soft towel. My preference is microfiber, and if you don't have these things already, if you go to your local parts store, chances are they'll carry a complete kit that's got everything I just showed you. You want to start with a perfectly clean, freshly washed vehicle because any grit that's on the surface of that paint could lead to a lot of scratches when we start rubbing the clay bar on there. Take your detailing spray, spray a little bit on the vehicle surface, and then take your clay bar and gently start rubbing it back and forth on the paint surface. Once you can see that the overspray has been removed from the paint, just take your microfiber towel and wipe off the excess detailing spray. And if you get a spot that's being extra stubborn, it's no big deal. Just reapply some more detailing spray and use the clay bar a little bit more until it finally comes loose. When you're all done, you shouldn't be able to tell that there was ever any overspray on that paint. Clay bars are pretty safe for your vehicle's finish if they're used properly. Just again, I can't stress enough, wash the vehicle first, get it as clean as you can. Be gentle with the clay bar. You don't need to rub super hard. Normally just the weight of your hand is enough. And make sure that you use plenty of detailing spray to lubricate the bar as it's moving over the paint. If you follow those steps and take your time and you're careful, you shouldn't have any worries about using that clay bar on your paint. I hope that you find this tip useful and that this video was informative. If so, take a second to hit the like button for me so that YouTube will be more likely to share this video with others. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button and check out some of my other videos for more automotive DIY content. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.